Hey there! In this video, we're going to explain what a printhead cleaning scheduler is and how it works. Let's dive in and check out the screen layout and how the program operates. This is the main screen, also to be referred to as the base window. The base window will be visible most of the time when maximized. The scheduler runs all the time in the background and only becomes active when needed. No need to restart it. At the top, we have a menu strip for manual cleaning services and other handy features to keep your printer's printheads in tip-top shape. In the middle, you'll see large, easy-to-spot buttons. These are for one-click services like running the scheduler, editing the calendar and clocks, and selecting from 4 intensity cleaning services and 2 printing services. Just click and go, no digging through menus needed. Down here, in this white box, the system detects all printers from a specific brand, in this case, Epson. It shows all connected printers and their statuses, whether they're online, offline, or networked, even if they're in a different building or country. For this demo, we have virtual printers listed to show how it works. These virtual printers are offline and just for demonstration purposes. The scheduler ignores offline printers, so no worries there. At the bottom, we have a status bar showing how many times each cleaning program has run: light, medium, strong, and power flush. These cleaning commands are built into the printer firmware and sent directly to the printer. We have 4 levels of cleaning, from a quick light clean to a thorough power flush. The light clean is like a gentle nudge for the ink, while the power flush is a deep clean. There are also 2 print cleaning functions: the nozzle print and the graphic test print. The nozzle print fires all the nozzles once on a page, and you can do this as often as needed. The graphic test print checks the printhead at a pixel level, helping you spot any problems early. I'll show you a sample of the graphic print at the end of the video. The scheduler is controlled by these 3 buttons: run, pause, and stop. When you hit run, the scheduler starts operating. The 2 buttons at the upper right end refresh the printer list. If any printers were missed or connected later, this will recheck and update the list. Now, let's talk about setting up the scheduler. You can set it to avoid running during office hours, so it doesn't interfere with your work. For instance, you can set it to start at 8 o'clock a.m. and stop at 6 p.m., or whatever works best for you. This interval setting determines how often the scheduler will initiate a cleaning operation on selected printers. For this presentation, the interval has been set to every 5 minutes but can be adjusted to once every 50 days. The 5-minute setting is the lowest interval that can be selected, and intervals can be set with an accuracy of every 1 minute. Additionally, you can define the type of cleaning service to be performed. You can choose from any one of the 4 cleaning services, just a print service, or even both at the same time. We have learned that a light clean set to about every 2 hours significantly reduces ink coagulation in your printhead and ink system. When adjusted for the environment and ink chemistry, coagulation can be completely eradicated. Just to elaborate about the time settings on the left, you'll find in this section you can define the idle and non-idle times for your business. Think of it as managing your printer's activity periods. These schedules will be unique to each business, as everyone's needs are different. Weekdays will likely have the same schedule for all 5 days. However, Saturdays and Sundays might vary depending on your location. The start and stop times shown indicate when the scheduler will be active. For example, you might set it from 6 p.m. to 8 a.m. the following morning. You can choose to display these times in either 12-hour or 24-hour format. By setting these times carefully, you can ensure your printers are active often enough to prevent the ink from coagulating, keeping them in optimal working condition for your business. As already mentioned, you can also customize the type of cleaning service that will be processed. For example, you can set a light clean every 2 intervals, then a medium clean on the 3rd. This pattern will be repeated outside of the office hours defined on the left. The scheduler will follow this pattern indefinitely, ensuring the ink remains agitated during idle time while minimizing ink wastage. More information on setting up the scheduler is available in a separate tutorial. Once correctly set up, the scheduler will prevent coagulation without affecting production time. The primary purpose of the scheduler is to enable continuous ink flow through the printhead without wasting it. Too much cleaning can dump ink into the waste bin, so a balanced setting will keep your printer ready for printing after every idle period. I hope this gives you a clear idea of how our printhead cleaning scheduler works. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tutorial videos to help you get the most from your DTG printer.